This is an introduction to Evolutional, Goodhist, Mindfulness, faulty right brain theory. It has become clear in the last few years through functional MRIs that the human right brain is responsible for most mental illness and all human-made suffering. Lower animals evolved with some IQ and fight, flight. They do not have worry, anxiety like humans when under stress, pressure. They can have physical anxiety symptoms and depression, now linked to hibernation in lower animals, but not imagined fear, worry, anxiety. About 3 million years ago, our ancestor, Australopithecus, began to evolve a greater left brain IQ, evidenced by more tool use, and fight-flight began to change to right brain anxiety. This was the beginning of more tool use, but also mental illness and sin, evil. This took a long time, and by the time humans evolved, we had it bad. An anxiety-based mate and reproductive choices block natural selection, so we have been stuck with it. Now we are a very messed up species with a left logical positive brain and a faulty right anxious negative brain. It usually takes several years for a young human to begin to process life, to an extent that stress, pressure begins to highly stimulate the right brain, and for anxiety and related symptoms to begin. Some will remember their first change in thought to anxious. This is when sin begins, probably where religion got the idea of knowledge causing sin. EGMi maximizes use of the left logical positive brain, minimizing use of the faulty right anxious negative brain. With a scientific new meditation system, this could end most mental illness and all human-made suffering.